Just a little tip for anybody that owns a lawnmower or garden tractor. Clean out your engines. There's a reason this head gasket blew out. Non-maintenance. That's what it should look like so air can get through. Not quite though. Yeah. Oh, that side's not as bad. That must be the good gasket. Or you'll just take an air compressor to them, degrease them sometimes, and you'll save thousands of dollars in the long run. This came off a $2,500 piece of equipment. That was new. Now it's probably $3,500. Have a good one, guys.